Yo, what's good, guys? So as always, I'll get right to it. Y'all see this dirty ass car. That's how the body shop left it. So some of you guys saw my post on Instagram that I made a couple days ago. It was about how I picked up my Z from the body shop without paint. So we finished all the body work, but I have to hold off on paint for a while. I have a couple personal issues going on right now, which is gonna have to put my Z on hold. But I'm tired of keeping the Z a secret from you guys of how like shit looks. So I'm just gonna like say fuck it and just show you guys how my Z's looking right now, because I wanna be able to go to meets and shit if I have time. And I wanna be able to post content on my Instagram page and shit, you know? I wanna make more videos. And I can't do that if I'm keeping my Z a secret until it's done, because who knows when it'll be done at this point. So, I'll show you guys what it's looking like. There you have the rear aim gain flares that were molded on. You have the carbon ducktail that I made and they primered over it. I could probably sand down the primer, but at this point I'm just saying fuck the carbon and just cover it. And then the Nismo bumper with the quad tails. At the body shop, they sliced open another person's legs. That girl had to get 12 stitches. I told them to cover their legs. I told them to cover the fucking exhaust tips too, but you know, that's on them. I had to get a white gas cap because I accidentally broke the OEM one that I had. I forgot how. But just look at this angle, man. It looks badass. I just wish I could have finished it. And then the thing I've been hiding from you guys the longest, the front fenders. Now these fenders that I'm about to show you guys, they are what ties my car, well, like half of the thing that ties my car into the Rocketbunny theme that I've been talking about, along with the front bumper. And there you have it. Custom front fenders. I've been working on these bitches since February. I know it's pathetic, right? Yeah, so I've been working on these things since February and they finally got done. And here's with the Vicrez front bumper that we teamed up to make. There's a front angle. Wish I had a stabilizer right about now. That'd be pretty dope. So plans for my car at this point, other than paint, would be to get a front splitter, a rear splitter, and side splitters. Because the front, you can tell it desperately needs a little more aggressiveness. And same thing for the sides, because of I'm using OEM side skirts. They're just not aggressive looking enough. And then for the rear, since I cut up the Nismo bumper, that bottom area, I was gonna make my own Rocketbunny diffuser out of the 350z Rocketbunny one, but I never got to it. So at this point, I might just hit up Street Faction or Street Arrow, whatever they're called, and see if they're down to work something out with me and maybe help me make something. But, you know, time will tell what happens. But yeah, man. This is the Z. This house is probably gonna be sitting for a while. Unless I primer the whole thing. But that's still more work, more time that I don't have. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the front fenders, just about the build in general. I like hearing people's opinions about my build, even if they're bad. They don't really affect me, but it's just nice knowing what's going on in people's minds, you know? Because at the end of the day, I build this shit for myself. So, you know, opinions don't really affect me, but it's still nice to know what's being said. You feel me? But yeah, that's a pretty rough walk around of the Z. You know, we'll see what's next. Peace.